Xiaomi has steadily built a reputation for delivering high-quality technology at affordable prices, and its range of smartwatches is no exception. Renowned for their impressive blend of style, functionality, and value, Xiaomi smartwatches have become a popular choice among tech enthusiasts and casual users alike. Whether you're a fitness aficionado, a tech-savvy professional, or someone looking to stay connected on the go, Xiaomi offers a smartwatch to meet your needs. In this video, we'll explore the best 5 Xiaomi watches, highlighting their standout features, performance, and why they are considered some of the best in the market. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Xiaomi Smart Band 8. Featuring a stunning 1.62-inch AMOLED display with a 60 Hz refresh rate and 326 PPE, the Smart Band 8 offers an incredibly smooth and eye-catching experience. With stepless automatic brightness adjustment, the screen adapts perfectly to any ambient light. Whether you're indoors or out, your display is always easy on the eyes. Express yourself with the redesigned, easy detachable straps. Switch between different designs and materials effortlessly. The elegant body, available in champagne gold and graphite black, complements any look. Choose from over 200 fashionable watch faces, each with an exclusive always-on display. With so many options, you can find the perfect face to match your unique style every day. Elevate your fitness with the Pebble mode, delivering 13 professional stats for a comprehensive running experience. Attach the band to your shoelaces with the running clip for convenient, professional training on the go. Stay on top of your health with 24-hour comprehensive health management. From heart rate and sleep tracking to stress monitoring, the Smart Band 8 keeps you covered. Experience seamless connectivity with multi-screen smart connecting. Sync your smartphone settings, notifications, and schedule instantly. With fast charging, your Smart Band 8 is ready to go in just 1 hour. Enjoy up to 16 days of battery life on a single charge, or up to 6 days in always-on display mode. And with superior water resistance up to 5 ATM, you can dive in stress-free. Swim, shower, and splash without a worry. The Xiaomi Smart Band 8 style meets innovation. Ready to enhance your life one step at a time. Pros: affordable, bright AMOLED display, built-in GPS, long battery life. Cons: no built-in storage, limited app support. Touch controls can be finicky. Number 4. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 Active. Experience a stunning view with the ultra-large 1.83-inch display. Whether you're checking messages or workout data, everything is crystal clear and easy to see at a glance. The 2.5D curved high-strength glass not only adds elegance, but also enhances wear resistance. Express yourself with over 200 customizable watch faces. Change your theme anytime to match your mood and show off your unique personality. Crafted with a classic rectangle case and a metallic finish middle frame, the dual-color design in tarnish and silver exudes sophistication and style. Stay connected effortlessly with Bluetooth voice calls. Answer calls with just a tap, whether you're at work or working out. With over 100 fitness modes, including 10 professional sports modes, the Redmi Watch 3 Active is your perfect workout companion. Its advanced sensors and sports algorithms monitor and analyze your performance, keeping you informed every step of the way. Enjoy the splash with 5 ATM water resistance. From shallow water splashes to snorkeling, wear your watch worry-free. Stay on top of your health with all-day heart rate monitoring. Receive alerts when your heart rate is high, ensuring you stay in the best shape possible. Enjoy hassle-free charging with magnetic charging. Just place the watch close to the charger and it automatically starts charging. With up to 12 days of battery life, thanks to low power consumption hardware and software, the Redmi Watch 3 Active keeps up with your busy lifestyle. Pros: affordable price, large and bright display, comfortable design, built-in GPS, multiple sports modes. Cons: lacks built-in GPS on some versions, no auto brightness, speaker quality for calls could be better. Number 3. Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. With its large 1.74-inch AMOLED display, see everything you need at a glance. The high refresh rate of 60 Hz ensures smooth and fluid viewing, while 16.7 million colors bring your world to life. The upgraded interface is designed for clarity and ease of use, providing a wide layout that displays more information at once. Weather updates, schedules, and calendars are all just a swipe away. Customize your experience with helpful widgets. From exercise tracking to health monitoring, weather, schedules, payments, and music, everything is accessible in seconds. Express yourself with hundreds of stylish watch faces. Whether you're in the mood for something classic or modern, there's a watch face for every occasion. Customize your watch face to suit your style and needs. The new flat-screen design offers a refreshing and bold appearance, redefining what a watch can be. Its integrated frame combines simplicity with elegance, making it a perfect accessory for any outfit. With 5 ATM water resistance, your Smart Band 8 Pro stays dry, even when immersed. Run light and run free with the independent GNSS 5 satellite positioning. Track your route with precision and relive your outdoor runs with the MyFitness app. Need a personal trainer? Lift your wrist to activate 3D warm-up and cool-down animations. Get into the workout zone faster and recover efficiently with guided stretches. Equipped with a next-generation 4-channel monitoring module and superior data algorithms, the Smart Band 8 Pro offers more accurate motion tracking and health monitoring. Experience improved heart rate and oxygen saturation monitoring accuracy. Pros: large, bright display, built-in GPS, long battery life, affordable price. Cons: no built-in speaker or microphone, not as durable as some other fitness tracker. Number 2. Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 Ultra. Experience a major display upgrade with the biggest screen ever on a Redmi watch. The 1.97 AMOLED display offers a 60 Hz high refresh rate and up to 600 nits brightness, giving you a 26% larger display area for an immersive viewing experience. The innovative stainless steel rotating crown adds a touch of high-end finesse. Its gentle spin provides a more comfortable and intuitive interaction. With over 200 stylish watch faces, you can express your individuality and match any outfit or occasion. Say goodbye to frequent charging with an impressive 20-day battery life. The energy-efficient chip ensures your watch is a long-lasting companion. Plus, portable magnetic charging makes powering up a breeze. Stay connected on the go with Bluetooth phone call capabilities. Raise your wrist to view, reject, or engage in conversations through the built-in microphone and speaker without needing your smartphone. With a 4-channel PPG sensor configuration, the Redmi Watch 4 Ultra ensures greater monitoring accuracy for your health metrics. Whatever your passion, the Redmi Watch 4 Ultra has you covered with over 150 sports modes. From running to swimming, find the perfect mode for all your activities. Equipped with an independent GNSS chip, track your workout routes accurately anytime, whether you're connected to your smartphone or not. Enjoy worry-free aquatic activities with professional 5 ATM water resistance, suitable for 18 different water sports. The automatic water drainage function adds an extra layer of convenience. Pros: large, high-quality display, premium design, advanced sleep monitoring, extensive sports tracking, water resistant. Cons: potential software issues. Number 1. Xiaomi Watch S3. Immerse yourself in full-screen brilliance with a large 1.43-inch AMOLED display. Enjoy a high refresh rate and crystal-clear image quality that illuminates your refinement. The versatile bezel not only protects the screen from scratches and drops, but also provides a seamless, full-view experience. Experience simplicity and elegance with the newly designed lugs. Smaller, slimmer, and more comfortable, the Watch S3 is made for all-day wear. Admire the exquisite multi-ring design of the integrated back cover. The sensors blend seamlessly, enhancing the watch's elegant simplicity without any screws in sight. With 5 ATM water resistance, the Xiaomi Watch S3 is unfazed by splashes and sprays. Wear it while swimming and enjoy exceptional protection from water. Personalize your style with the interchangeable bezel. Crafted from high-end stainless steel, it resists wear and corrosion, showcasing a profound luster with every move. The Clouds de Paris design on the bezel creates a dazzling flow of light, adding a touch of sophistication to your every move. Track your movements with precision using the L1 plus L5 dual-band GNSS5 satellite positioning. The independent dual-band GNSS chip and wraparound antenna improve signal reception performance by 100%. Reach a new level of accuracy with 12-channel heart rate monitoring. The upgraded module and new algorithm ensure stable and precise physiological data monitoring, with an average accuracy of 97.95%. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. With ultra-long battery life and fast charging technology, a 5-minute charge provides up to 2 full days of use. Charge it during short breaks, and stay connected through thick and thin. Pros: stylish design, durable, water resistance, accurate health tracking, convenient features. Cons: limited app support, no built-in speaker. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.